Welcome to Forum 32, Shital.
Thank you.
Well, this is obviously an epic day for us because we finally managed to do the interview.
Yes, finally we managed to do the interview on the 101st episode, and yet, though we are having fun, but we're not having a party on the set. Note the point.
I'm sure Gorky will hear this. And we want to talk about you, Shital, and Aayesha Kapoor.
Okay.
So, you see, you are the super cop in this show.
If you
Whether
insist.
I do, because you are the Zeenat Aman, the Parvin Babi, you know, who were the action queen in our times. In my time, not your time, in our time. So, considering that, how does it feel?
Oh, it feels good. I've just kind of had a brush with action, and I feel I could do much more if more action came my way to actually prove to be a super cop. So I think it's a trailer tha, and I'm hoping for the film to unfold.
I'm sure. I mean, हमने वो जो deleted scene था ना,
हाँ.
जो भी recent action में था, and was not in the episode.
Yes.
We had put it up on Forum 32, courtesy Gorky. He had
Thank you.
given it to us. So we put it up, and people were so appreciative of that.
Yeah, and that's the reason I really look forward to some real hardcore, more action for Aayesha Kapoor.
I mean, your first episode, I think, was the most dhamakedar entry ever.
It started with a bazooka, and I'm dangling with a gun these days.
तो मंगा लेना bazooka कहाँ गई?
मंगाती हूँ, place करती हूँ order.
Do that. Now, you are multi-talented. I have written about it. We've obviously talked about it. You're a dancer, you're an artist who paints, which is of course something that I mean, I'm far away from that, but I can just appreciate art. And the third thing is that you help your mother run a company and you take care of things remotely, which I have seen you work, whether it's on your laptop or whatever. Tell me, how do you manage that?
Well, being multi-talented, if you call it so, I think it's just a blessing that I have the knack of handling a couple of things side by side, which I feel that if I don't, then I won't be able to give my best to each, because I enjoy playing multiple roles, be it of a dancer, a painter, an actress, or a manager. And these roles are so imbibed in me since I was a young little girl, a child, because I've always seen my mom do it. I have a very strong influence of my mother on me, and not that I've admired her, since she used to do it always, I thought that was way of life. So playing these multiple roles it makes my life very interesting, because when I switch off one and do the other, it becomes more exciting to do it and give it a better shot. So I guess it's more than that talent or more than skill, it's more part of me, and that's just the way I am. So I think I'm blessed to be able to do so many things, and I hope I'm doing a good job at it.
I think you're fabulous. I've not seen your live dance yet, just seen the photographs so far. Inshallah, we'll get to see that as well.
I hope so too. Invite me any day, I'm ready to dance.
Lovely. Now coming to the artist part of you,
Yeah.
the painter. Where do you get your inspiration, if anywhere?
Painting is meditative for me.
Okay.
So I'm perpetually inspired to paint. I
Okay.
can paint at any time, at any place, at any hour of the day or night. So I guess it keeps me alive. I love the world of colors because I can kind of melt into it, and then the rest of the world stops mattering to me. I miss it these days because I don't get that kind of time of like 10 hours, 12 hours where I can just immerse into it and not think of anything else. The other side of my painting is that me, my mom and my sister, three of us paint together. So very often when we are painting, my paintbrush goes into my tea without realizing. And that's the kind of fun we have. It goes on for 12 hours, 24 hours. Food comes to my gallery. We have a small little gallery at home that we sit and paint with some daylight coming in, and it's pretty inspiring and colorful.
I have seen it, yes.
You have seen it.
Yeah.
So it's like whenever I think of taking a break or taking a holiday, I don't really need to go to a Goa or another country. I'm happy with being in my art gallery for 3-4 days. I can go and just paint.
Now coming to the 1 year completion, you've been here 7-8 months. Eight
to be
months, right?
precise.
Yeah. How has that journey been? Just
Oh, journey has been actually full of action, and action means a lot of things out here. It's been a great unit to work with, first and foremost. Fantastic team, great co-actors, along with our little fights and scuffles and problems and late nights and early mornings and call times and delays and all. I think we've had a great time working together. Every episode has been a challenge because पता नहीं कल कौन सा location है, कल कहाँ पहुँचना है, late तो नहीं हो जाएंगे, एक दिन भांडू पे, एक दिन थाने, एक दिन bandstand है. And then all of us have stood together in these times. Someone's taking a lift, someone's had a car breakdown, which I have most of the times. In spite of it, we managed to make a story, we managed to deliver the tapes, we managed to make a bank, we managed to lose a bank in no time. So it's been like a very, very exciting, colorful time, which has been unlike any other work that I've done in the past, because I've been involved with a couple of films which have taken a month or two at a stretch, and that's it. It starts and it ends. I've rarely done such a long television show, which takes so much of time, energy, effort, patience. Sometimes you wait around for 10 hours without a shot. But I think I've managed it pretty fine. I'm still sane. I still have my head over my shoulders. And I'm still willing to do about 30 more episodes to make a complete 100 episodes for me, because I've only been around for about 70-75 episodes yet, and I'm quite looking forward to it. Yeah, so basically those 8 months of mine have been pretty colorful, and I will never forget these 8 months of my life, because I don't think I'm going to get such kind of a weird wacky experience or anything after this.
Right, मैंने यही सुना है कि अर्जुन में जो काम कर लेगा ना वो कहीं पे भी काम कर सकता है.
It's like I'm from Ahmedabad, so people say that अगर आप Ahmedabad में गाड़ी चला लो तो आप दुनिया में कहीं भी गाड़ी चला सकते, because you have like camel cars and buffaloes and autos and a Mercedes and a BMW and a Maruti 800 going side by side. So हमारा भी ऐसे ही कुछ होता है. इतनी difficulty में एक दिन और इतनी luxury दूसरे दिन. So I guess Arjun is a superb training ground. I'm ready to go to Hollywood.
Okay, lovely. Inshallah, you'll get there too. We hope and pray. I'm sure you're there. Coming now to the costumes. You know, you're not the stereotypical woman in a TV serial who is sari clad with sindoor that's a mile long or a bindi that's perhaps 2 miles long. How does that feel?
Yeah, I'm not a stereotypical bahu because I'm not playing a bahu. At the same time, I'm not a stereotypical cop, because women cops are so boring. खाकी से बाहर नहीं आते तो भी it's like एक बार कर लिया, कुछ आइटम कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, and then it's again back to the same old costume. So I guess it's hats off to the creative production here at Four Lions that they've designed the looks very well. So the show looks very stylish. I'm happy with the way my look has turned out. It's stylish, it's hip, it's smart. I think it goes well with the cop, so no complaints there.
Right, and I also know that you experiment with your hairstyle.
I try to, because my cases and my stories to perform beyond a certain number of episodes, it does get a little monotonous, because every day in and day out we're solving a crime. So I thought thoda hairstyle se experiment karu.
Right here. Thank you so much, Shital. Please tell something for Forum 32 and the followers who love your pictures that we put up.
I'm very, very thankful to both Forum 32 as well as the followers. It's been a steady, positive response that I've been getting. It helps me to understand what my viewers think about whatever I do every day for 15-16 hours. And the feedback does matter. And whenever it's positive, I have a good day. And whenever not so positive, it puts me on an alert. So I make sure that I don't lose my hang over things. So I guess it's been a great experience to know Forum 32, be part of Forum 32, and thanks for attaching me to my viewers.
Right here. Pleasure's all ours.
Thank you.
Great knowing you, Shital.
Likewise.
Right here. Bye.